Hi guys, in this video what we are going to say is encoding JSON from Go data. So we are actually going to have an encoding structured data on this class. So let's see how it can be done. Structured data, encoding structured data. Okay, so let's do that. Package main, I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can use whichever ID you like. So I'm going to use a struct here. I'll name it as animal. Okay, now I'll just give it as a breed. I'll just pass two data to it. I'll have one as breed and give it as a string, and use JSON. It's what we can type anything we want in here. So this type, and the other one we can call it as color. Again, string, and we can use JSON type of color. So you can call it type of color. So this are our struct. We are using this too. We can then we can call our main function now. Func main. Now we can put any you can name it as a, and name it as which animal. Let me put as, I'll put it as a equals to animal, and what are the types? Breed. Breed to what? Let's call it as poodle. And color, can give it any color, white or brown. Okay, so now we have our main function. Now we can give any name, and we are putting to avoid an error equals to JSON. We are calling Marshall. If t dot print string b. This is something I like about Visual Studio Code, is that it imports whatever is required. I'll do go run main.go. Oops, what happened? What is that error for? What did I do wrong? And I don't know what's wrong. Could be a small error somewhere. Hmm. There you go. Not sure what happened. Sometimes it does that, and maybe I'm not sure what happened. So it's a very basic thing. This what we are doing on this is we are encoding structured data. So These are the basic function. I used a strut. I used main to call them and pass the JSON marshal to get my strut. Now I'll get my structured data. Now what if it's